Can we just talk about the sky right now? I haven't seen it this blue in so long. Hi, it's Courtney with Light Acres. I've just been sitting out here looking at the sky, watching caterpillars. I let one crawl on me. It was terrifying. I did it anyway. Terrifying things have been happening to me lately. And I don't really want to talk about them right now because I was doing this right now because there seems to be a lot of fear happening right now, and I wanted to do something where we could just be here in nature, not afraid. So if I talk about the terrifying things, that's just, counterproductive. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to be still. I really am. I was readjusting. Now I'm fine. Okay. I'll be still. So I just wanted to be here with you guys for a minute until my speaker dies or my time runs out. And I was making room so I could have more time, and somehow I have less. So I don't know what I did. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. The birds were circling way lower earlier, so close that I could see their bird faces. That's how close they were. I don't know what they're looking for, but see, so close. I was sitting outside yesterday Well, I was sitting here. I count it as outside, but it's technically not outside. I was sitting here with my amethyst. I have a big chunk of amethyst. I was sitting with it. I thought it would be best for what I was doing, and as it turned out, it totally was the right rock to pick. And I just sat with it for like 2 hours. It was great. This is gonna turn off. I wanted to do like a 15-minute long just sit here and record it, and it's gonna turn off. I'll see what I can do and be back. Bye, I love you guys.